Yeah, sure. So one of the key things about RAG is that it has two major components, the retriever and the generator. Often one of the big issues with RAG or in general LLMs is that you don't get the grounded information or the grounded output you need. So RAG is something which helps you do that. So if you're trying to ask LLM something which is of your enterprise, or if you're trying to sort of make sure that it always has the correct, grounded, truthful information, RAG is something that will help you achieve that, because you can sort of dynamically parse the actual context. And then once you have that context, it will always answer you based on that. Multimodal RAG is an extension of RAG. It is pretty much exactly same as how you do RAG, but now with the added sort of complexities of different modalities of images, videos, and audio, and many other modalities in future. Now, what we do is we are sort of trying to build these foundational content which we are putting across the GitHub and every other platform that we sort of can reach out. We're also sort of hosting such sessions so that we can at least give them something to think about. We walk them through all of these things. We provide these codes open source to them. So this way, at least it's easy for them to sort of adopt this, learn through this, and then sort of take this knowledge back to their work, whatever they're doing. And then from there, they can sort of spare it forward. The multimodal RAG is a very new topic as of now. It's not mature or sort of ready for production, and hence that's what I mentioned in the talk as well, which is this is more from a perspective that you should start thinking about it. So once you start thinking about it, you sort of figure out a lot of other things around it.